What's happening, guys? I'm at the coach station, ready to board the coach for London to go to the BABB BAXHodlers party. I'm extremely excited about this. Coach leaves in about half an hour, so keep us updated on the trip, on the night, how it goes. Hopefully do a few interviews and that. Got my umbrella in case it pisses it down on the way there. Yeah, we've got the laptop and cameras with us. We're ready to go. It's going to be a good day. We're here, we're at Canary Wharf, and this, my friends, is what Manchester's missing. An absolutely epic epicenter of technological companies all coming together in the same place. Now, they tried to do it, they've done it a little bit in Spinningfields, try to bring it up in Manchester, but it's nothing on the scale of this. Do you know what I mean? I mean, look at that, every building's a beast. We're going to the 39th floor of that bad boy there. As far as I'm aware, I'm here a little bit early, so I'm going to have a little walk about. There's loads of people about, it's so busy, it's untrue. Yeah, we're here. Stand by for updates on the party, peeps, because it's happening within, what we on? Oh, look at that. 20 to 6, so not long now and I'll be going in. guys, we're here, we've met a bit of the team. It's looking like a great day. We've got Rushed getting up soon to give us all a little chat, and then we're going to network and drink, I think. So stay tuned. They're live streaming quite a bit of it, I'm not sure how much, but they've got quite a few cameras knocking about, and there's a big one with a shotgun mic on it, so I'm assuming that'll be doing a live stream. Again, I don't know how much they're showing. This won't be on until after the party, obviously, with a little bit of updates, but yeah, exciting times, exciting times. So I'm literally going to get asked questions here. What's your favourite thing about BABB?
Hello. This is your mic.
Is that my mic? What's my favourite thing about BABB? The vision, the project, and how impressive it is. Hey, welcome to the BABB booth. Answer us this. What 3 words would you use to describe BABB? Best blockchain ICO ever. Now, blockchain-based bank account. Blockchain-based bank account. Hey, welcome to the BABB booth. How would you explain BABB to your parents, grandparents? Ooh! It's a peer-to-peer platform that's going to allow peer-to-peer trading, but also it's going to reach a anyone from me and you to the micro economy to everyone else. It's going to bank anyone who wants to be banked regardless. What are the coolest things about the BABB project? Oh, well, what I said previously, the fact that it can basically bank anyone who wants to be banked, as long as they get verified off someone who's already KYC'd. I believe that's all we need. You're going to self there, boom, you've got a bank account. Buzzing. How's BABB going to change the world? They're all the same questions, same answers in my opinion. It's going to hit the micro economy. It starts with us, the investor, and then moves on to traders who are going to buy it after us, and then it'll hit the micro economy and the unbanked. It'll change the world easily. Just give them time. What's your favourite thing about BABB? The team, how much they interact with us, the Twitter page, the fact that I'm at a party of the first ICO I've ever invested in. Don't get that much, do you? I bet I don't get it on the next one. I'll tell you now, next ICO I buy into, they don't invite me to a party like this. I'll put money on it. I'll put 50 bucks on it. What 3 words you use to describe BABB? Well, bank account based blockchain. Blockchain, bank account, you only need 2 words, mate. Don't need 3. I think we're done, we're rolling over again here. Yeah, we're on the same questions again. Woo! Video booth, that was pretty cool, that, guys. Well done, that was awesome.
Approved it. So who knows what will happen. So we'll have a short video, then a 3-minute or so speech from the man himself, then a little bit of sort of information and housekeeping for you guys, and then we'll carry on the party. So, all good? Okay, here's the video for you guys.
Don't put that in the video.
We sold out! Yay!
Hopefully what you got from that was that our token sale was quite a crazy time for us all. thank you so much for your support throughout that process. It was awesome. We're quite glad it's over though, so that we can actually crack on with our real jobs. So I just want to introduce you now to our founder and CEO to say a few words, Rushdie Abaros.
Wow, that's really very impressive to have a lot of people today to come and celebrate with us. You guys part of this success, so I'm really, really very impressed, and thank you very much for joining us tonight. And also special thanks for David for the video. He made it a surprise for me. Thank you, David. So everyone in this room is part of the journey we have been on so far. And in this road, we have learned many lessons, of course, gained an amazing community, and of course, we received funding to secure the future of BABB. So thank you very much for the part you played in making it happen. So we closed the token sale around 7 p.m. in the 20th of February, and at 9 a.m. in 21st of February, we were back to business as usual, brainstorming, scheming, and of course planning for the next phase. My team, the best team in the world, doesn't rest. It's not in the script, but so we understand that by buying our tokens, you have given us your by buying our tokens, you have given us your vote of confidence, and we don't underestimate this responsibility. We are focused in making it happen, making our vision a reality. It's time to deliver in our promises we have made to you. There are billions of people around the world that they don't really know BABB yet, as you know, sorry, I have to repeat this sentence. So there are billions of people around the world who need BABB, even though they haven't even heard about us yet. As you know, the team and I are fully committed to our principles of openness and honesty. And I'm going to be very honest with you right now. We are going to need you. As we build this movement, we are going to need your ideas, your advice, your feedback, and your enthusiasm. Most of all, we are going to need your support. By the time we are through, the world will look very different. Power will be held by individuals, just like you and me, but not by banks or just by banks. Banking services and the opportunities they unlock will be for everyone, not just for the privileged few. Communities will have the tools to work together to further the prosperity of all. Thanks again. Thank you so much for joining us in this journey. And it's really an honor to host you here tonight, and I speak for the whole team when I tell you that we are eternally grateful for your support. So just before I leave the stage and get a drink, again, a second one, let's have a toast to the future of BABB.
Yay!
Thanks, Rushdie. This is a celebration. We want to have fun, we want to get to know you, and we don't really want to spend the whole night having the same old conversations, so I'm just going to address them now before you even ask them. Exchanges. When exchanges? As you know, we're currently in discussion with several exchanges, but we can't disclose anything yet for legal reasons. We're as sick of saying this as you are of hearing it, but we can't disclose anything yet. They explicitly ask us not to announce anything. To give you any more information would be to jeopardize the negotiations. As of today, BAX is a relay token activated on the Bancor network, which provides you with continuous liquidity, which is very exciting. And we're also listed on some decentralized exchanges, IDEX and Delta Fork so far as I'm aware. This isn't something we have control over. We didn't list them, someone in the community did, but they're there as well. And we'll bring you more information on this as soon as we can. Banking license. Our second stage meeting with the Bank of England has been scheduled for next week, which is very exciting. And we're also in preliminary talks with other regulatory jurisdictions around Europe. Becoming a licensed bank is a very lengthy process. There's a lot of prep, a lot of groundwork, in the early stages. As soon as they give us the green light to apply formally, it's a very good indication that we'll be successful. And again, we'll keep you updated with all of that news as we work through the bureaucracy. So, about tonight, if you want to tweet about the party, please use the hashtags #BAXHodlers and #Level39, and you'll see your tweet up here in a second. We've also got a diary room style photo video booth over here. There's some questions up on the TV screen, so if you want to nip in, answer the questions, record yourself with your thoughts, that will be awesome. We also have a dream wall over here, your hopes and dreams for BABB, with a Polaroid camera, so please take a Polaroid selfie, pin it to the wall, write some messages to us. By the end of the night, we want to have this huge graffiti wall, and we're going to put it in the office and keep us motivated for the very difficult year to come. And if you haven't already, make sure you had a photo taken on the red carpet with our press wall over there. We'll also be doing team selfies throughout the night, so grab us if you'd like a photo. There's also going to be some food coming around. There's free drinks at the bar until they've run out, so make sure you take full advantage of that. We're here till 9:30, guys. After that, there might be some kind of after party, but we haven't organised that yet. Make sure you take a goodie bag on the way out. They're sorted by t-shirt sizes. Small, medium, large, so make sure you grab the right size. That's all from me. Thank you so much for coming. Let's party. Yeah, got it out. We're done.
Anna.
Yeah. We can have a drink now. Yeah, I mean, you
Which one first?
He ruined the photo.
You have 3 pictures. 3 pictures? Yeah, you have 3 pictures. I'll take them all you want. Okay, just squish.
Oh shit.
He's not a man, I accept it.
Okay, ready? Oh shit. Another one. Wait. We'll be fine. Yeah, no, okay, take it.
Is it okay? Do we need to breathe?
Well, the problem is that I can't frame it properly when there's so many of you. Like, you'll get the whole backdrop. Like, whereas if you look at something like this, you can get just that. But it's
So maybe it's not the best tip to get to
we can do it, but it would you just have
need
to
like have layers.
yeah.
Oh my gosh,
Oh, cool. Any tips?
Yeah, nice. I can take a celebrity. You know, I can take yeah, well, you heard me? The back. Can you come closer, please? Edwin. I would like to take a picture with all of you guys. Just
Oh guys, party's over. I'm on my way back to the coach station to get home. Just walked past Westminster. Met some amazing people. If you're watching this video now, guys, you need to stay in touch. Getting a direct message. Might have to follow us to send us a message, but you know you want to. But yeah, the BABB party, meeting the team. Finally meeting Rush, meeting Anna from the social media accounts was amazing. Meeting the other Anna, setting up an interview soon, I believe. She's going to interview me on a podcast. Meeting Paul, talking about the bank license. Didn't really get to talk to Adam, it's my own fault. Didn't walk up to him. Got to meet Dean, a couple of others I didn't really meet. But yeah, other than that, amazing night. I've absolutely loved it. I'm so happy I came down.